Very good morning to all you YouTubers out there. Welcome back to my channel. This is DJ Mani. Continuing on our Northeastern Fantasy series, we are driving from Jamshedpur, where we stayed overnight, towards Gangtok in Sikkim. It's going to be an exciting day today as we hit the Himalayan mountains. Today is the 10th of November 2021 and the time right now it's 9 AM and we just finished our breakfast and started from Jamshedpur through some beautiful twisty roads. Jamshedpur to Gangtok is about 745 kilometers, so it should take us easily 15 to 16 hours considering the bad stretch of roads as we climb the ghats. We're going to be stopping over at Siliguri and from there head towards Gangtok. Siliguri is the northmost city of West Bengal. So we'll be driving through Jharkhand and from there Bihar, West Bengal and finally hitting Sikkim. If you don't know, Sikkim is the northeastern state of India. One side is bordered by Bhutan, one side is Tibet. There is China occupied Tibet and Nepal on the other side. We're going to be spending more than a week in Sikkim as we explore northern part of Sikkim, and then we're going to the eastern and western part of Sikkim also. Sikkim has some of the highest lakes in the world and also has glaciers, alpine meadows and thousands of varieties of wildflowers. Stay tuned as we explore this beautiful state of Sikkim in the upcoming series of the Northeastern Fantasy.
Well, also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is DJ Manit, and do like my Facebook fan page, which is also DJ Manit.
Well, we did take some internal state highways as it was showing shorter to reach. This was the innermost parts of Bihar. Do a road trip, you always get to see the countryside and explore the local cultures and cuisines as we explore innermost parts of the states. That's one thing when you miss when you travel by air. You must have noticed my campaign of explore local, encourage local. Well, that's the whole point of traveling local. So request all you guys to also encourage local tourism, local culture, local cuisines and everything local. That's how the country and the nation grows, rather than we crib about the roads and the conditions of life we have here in India. Always remember one thing, everybody's contribution matters when you travel local. So next time when you decide to travel, choose to travel local. It'll always help encourage people build their businesses here in India and also sustain this corona effect, just having a ripple effect across all industries here in India. So rather than go to a foreign country and spend your money there travel local and encourage local. That's what I believe in. Well, we managed to reach Siliguri by lunchtime, and here's the drone view of this beautiful city of Siliguri, West Bengal. Well, right after Siliguri, we hit the mountains where we entered Sikkim state, and then right alongside the hills was the Tiesta river, which runs all the way from Guru Gotmar Lake into Bangladesh through West Bengal. A beautiful lake which you'll see all along the Sikkim escapade. And here's a drone shot of the beautiful Tiesta river. Not to forget the beautiful bridges in Sikkim which connects from hills to hills. Well, we managed to reach Sikkim Gangtok by late evening, and boy, what a wonderful city and what a wonderful experience it was to enter this beautiful city full of hills and mountains. Whole new experience for me entering this beautiful state of Sikkim. Watch this whole drone shot as we explored the Gangtok city. Well, that's the end of episode 4 of the Northeastern Fantasy series. Hope you're enjoying all these videos of the Northeastern Fantasy. If you do like these videos, do hit the subscribe button. Also hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates of all my videos. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. We'll be here at Gangtok for the next couple of days and then head towards the northern part of Sikkim. Catch us on the next video in the north part of Sikkim. Until the next one, it's ciao, sayonara and adios.